I started acting out a bit when I was 13, but the problems with the law started when I was 14. We just used to run around drinking in the city every day, like, didn't really care. We just cared about each other, our friends, and how we were going to get our next drink. We would rob and bash people to do that, support ourselves. My first encounter with the police was probably in high school. I had a fight with like a girl in my grade and she ended up charging me and stuff, but I didn't get charged. I was at the stage of getting cautioned, so it didn't really affect me, I guess. My first encounter where I actually got arrested and taken back to the police station was, I was with a group of boys actually, and we did a robbery, and we all got caught the next day and locked up overnight. I was pretty scared the first time I went in there because I didn't know what to expect, but after a couple more times going in and out, I got used to it and I actually like going there because I'm like, all my friends are here and you have no responsibilities in there. You get fed, you get clothed, you have a bed. What else do you need? When I got out, they like put me in a residential rehab kind of program, and every time they'd let me out, I would abscond the same day and get caught, say, a couple weeks later and just do the same cycle over and over again. It was like a roundabout. Didn't care about anything, just cared about myself pretty much. I was a very selfish person. I didn't expect to get 11 months. I thought I was only going to get like 5 or 6 months. And when they hit me with that, I was just devastated. I was like, what? Like, my life's over. I was due to be released from custody in 3 months' time, and my counsellor referred me for a program called White Lion and arranged a meeting for me to meet Nicolina. As a White Lion employment coordinator, we try to break the cycle of generational unemployment. We also try to overcome drug and alcohol issues that the young person might have. We, try to get them job ready and ultimately put them in employment. We find that if a young person has the job, they're most likely not going to reoffend again. I just thought it was another one of them programs they're going to set up for juveniles in trouble. Didn't think it was going to work. Someone in Rebecca's situation, never worked before, has been in and out of lockup since she was 14 years old. I mean, for her to get a job, it'd almost be impossible. She spoke to me about a job opportunity they had, and it was at a government agency. For her to be asked by an employer, what have you been doing the last couple of years? What is she supposed to answer with, oh, I've been inside? I mean, she'll never get a normal chance to apply for a normal job and get a normal job like every other person. I didn't know how to apply for jobs or really put a resume together or anything. Applying for a tax file number or Medicare form or something like that is very foreign to them because they're not used to that sort of stuff. I was so nervous, and Nicolina actually came with me to my interview. For most of these repeat offenders, it's almost a constant cycle that they can't get out of. They'll probably end up in incarceration their whole life, in and out. We do care if they're going back inside or if they're ending up on the street. It's ongoing mentoring, I think, that makes a difference. Now, after being with White Lion, I have a full-time job at a government agency. Never thought I would be doing that. Once a young person gets placed in employment, they try very hard to stay there. Yesterday was actually my 1 year of being out, so I'm really proud of myself for that because that's the longest I've ever lasted. I have many more ambitions now than what I used to. She's very aware that, if she does something wrong, her job and her life is in jeopardy, so she tries as hard as she possibly can not to do anything to jeopardise that. I want to prove everyone wrong. Whoever thought I was going to end up in Malawa or a junkie on the street, I want to prove everyone wrong. I work now and I love it. Like, I would never turn my life back for anyone or anything. I wouldn't be this unless it was for White Lion. I would probably be in the big jail if I didn't get on the White Lion program.